want to improve your YouTube channel? You are in the right place. Watch this video to learn more about SEO, one of the best ways to improve and to get more view and subscribers. AZ World is staring new training videos. Here's the truth of the matter. Not all YouTube channels are created equal. I know, it's a hard pill to swallow. But what separates the good from the great? It all comes down to SEO. Without SEO, your hard work might just be invisible in the vast ocean of YouTube content, and you're left wondering why views and subscriptions remain stagnant. But don't panic just yet. Let's break down the problem here. The real issue isn't about creating content, it's about making sure your content gets seen. You could produce the most enlightening, entertaining, or educational material, but if it isn't properly optimized for the YouTube search engine, it's like you're whispering in a concert. So, what's the silver bullet? I'm glad you asked. You need to master the art of YouTube SEO. Start with video titles. Titles should be engaging, concise, and include your main keyword. Then, let's talk descriptions. Make them detailed, include a summary of the video, and don't forget your keywords. Plus, do not underestimate the power of tags. These sneaky little helpers can significantly boost your visibility. And lastly, make good use of closed captioning. Not only does it aid accessibility, but it also improves your search ranking. But remember, there's always more you can do to optimize your channel. Want to learn more SEO tips? Leave a comment below or send us a message. Share this video with fellow YouTubers who could really benefit from these insights. Let's turn those good channels into great ones. Together, we can conquer the YouTube universe.